Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to keep important conversations, revisit useful answers and organize your research, saving a thread in Perplexity AI is essential. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to save a thread in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open Perplexity AI. So go to perplexity.ai as I did, or open the mobile app, okay, and log into your account. Okay, so be ready to save. Now start or open a thread. Okay, so create a new query, okay, or open an existing conversation, interact with it, for example, to active a thread. Let it save automatically. Most threads are saved automatically once you are logged in. Appears in sidebar or history here, okay, because it is an auto saved. Okay, so now rename the thread. You can click on the thread title. So for example, let's activate any thread, for example, so as you can see here, we have a saved thread here. So we just tap here and tap rename. Okay, so click on the thread title, edit it to something meaningful, for example, anything that you need. So it's easy to find. Okay, so pin important threads. So look for pin option. Okay, pin key conversations, keep them at the top for the quick access. Okay, so this is how you organize your threads. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.